talk about the mobile apps 2023 and beyond the market trend. So let's jump into the session. So, so mobile apps trend in general. So this slide we're going to cover the iOS versus Android phones in the US market. According to statistics as the April 2023, iOS has a 57.75% market share in the US mobile market, while Android has a 41.88 market share. This means that more than half of all mobile phones in the US are running iOS, while less than half are running Android. There are a number of factors that contribute to the difference in market share. One factor is that Apple devices tend to be more expensive than Android devices. This means that the people are willing to spend more money on a phone, are more likely to be choose an iPhone. Another factor is that iOS is generally seen as being more user-friendly than Android. This is due to a number of factors, such as the fact that the iOS has a simpler interface and it has a more tightly integrated with another Apple product. Finally, Apple has a strong brand reputation. This means that the people who are looking for a new phone are more likely to consider iPhone, even if they are not familiar with the feature and the benefit of iOS. It is important to note that the mobile market is constantly changing. It is possible that the market share of iOS and Android will change in the future. However, as of right now, iOS has a significant lead in the US mobile market. So if you look at the market share here, you can see that approximated 57%, 21 and 2% Apple and Android and others respectively. So now look at here. This is the US smartphone distribution of the market share. If you look at here, if you see, you can see here. So we have a 57% of market share by iPhone, and Samsung have a market share of 29%, and Motorola have 5%, and Google have like 2%, and all LG have like 1.5%, and all others together they have 5%. So this is kind of an overall distribution of the market share. Now here again, there's this exact percentage described here, mobile phone distribution. Here if you can see, Apple have 56.81, Samsung 59.47, Motorola 4.75, and Google 2.1, and LG 1.81, and others 5.06. So this mobile app market share, it just again, in terms of like a billion, and according to the statistics, the US has the largest mobile app market in the world. According to 30% of the global market share is with the US in 2022. This is followed by China with the 20%, Japan with the 6%. This remaining 40% is shared by all other countries. The US mobile app market is going to expected to grow in a CAGR rate of 19.5% for year 2023. So now we can go through the detail. Here we are talking about the US mobile market. The global market is expected to reach 935 billion in 2023. And the US mobile app market is expected to account for a significant share with this growth. The US mobile app market is expected to grow at a CAGR from 90.5% from 22 to 23. Oh, this is a significant percentage. The increasing popularity of mobile devices is one of the key factors driving the US growth of the US mobile app market. The number of mobile phones is going to be increased to 307 million by 2023. So now we could going about different market segment where we have a apps market segment. So the few of them are highlighted here. One is actually the healthcare. The healthcare mobile health are becoming very increasingly popular because of the personalized. Some of the most popular healthcare apps include those that provide medical information, track fitness goals, and connect patient with the doctors. And the other segment is education. Education mobile learning apps are becoming very increasingly popular, and they are after a convenient way for students to learn on the go. Some of the most popular education apps include those that provide access to test work, practice problems, and also educational games. Finance, mobile banking apps are becoming increasingly popular as they are often a convenient way for users to manage their finances. Some of the most popular mobile banking apps include those that allow users to view account balance, transfer money, and to pay bills. Retail, mobile shopping apps are becoming increasingly popular as they often convenient way for user to shop online. Some of the most popular mobile shopping apps include those that allow users to browse product, compare prices, and make purchases. Entertainment is another area of a growth market where we have the apps which provide access to TV shows as well as movies and playing games, mobile games will have a significant growth opportunity in the future. So these are some of the area. On other industries also there are growth, but just these are some of the highest growth areas for 2023. So now we have in this slide we are going to cover mobile apps future trend. These are some of the influencing features for the future development in 2023 and beyond. So AR, VR are two emerging technologies that expect to have major impact on the mobile and app development industry. AR apps allow users to interact with the virtual transport users to completely immerse the virtual environment. Artificial intelligence, AI is another emerging technology that is expected to be widely used in mobile apps in 2023. AI can be used to improve the functionality and user experience of mobile apps in a variety of ways, such as by providing personalized recommendations, suggesting relevant content, and automating tasks. Privacy and security. Privacy and security are becoming increasingly important concern for mobile app users. Mobile apps developers will need to take steps to protect user data and ensure that security for their apps in order to maintain the user trust. So these slides cover what are the development platform for trend for 2023 and beyond. The trend development platform for each of the three categories of the mobile apps development are followed. For the native apps, the most popular development platform for native apps are iOS, Xcode, Android Studio. Web apps, the most popular development platform web apps are HTML, Angular, JS, React.js, and Vue.js, and CSS3 and Bootstrap Foundation and Materialize. JavaScript, jQuery, React.js, and Vue.js. Hybrid apps, the most popular development apps for hybrid apps are Ionic Framework, React Native, and Xamarin. So this is conclude our session.